amazing new deals to share with you guys. We have Lowe's and Amazon. So Lowe's has a couple of special deal of the day deals, so I want to bring those to your attention. Then we got some other ones to go over. The Lowe's, we're going to use the YouTube shopping links. You'll see those boxes popping up here, there, and everywhere. Then I got a couple of Amazon deals. I still want to do a full Amazon video, but we don't have the time at the moment, so we're just going to kind of throw in these couple that I think are really good and you'll like. First up, we got a dash cam, front and rear. You're getting both. Are you a front guy or a rear guy, you know? 4K dual channel dash cam. It's app controlled. It's got the screen. 64 gigabyte SD card in there. G sensor, loop recording, all the things. All the things by Juan Lipo. 45% off on this guy right here. Again, the front and the rear app controlled loop recording, G sensor, so it'll lock those files when you rear end someone. Not in the way you want. $59.99, but then it's 45% off. So you're almost going to cut that in half. You're going to be like $35 for this guy. So a really good deal. Nice little Christmas present even. Going through the end of the year if it actually lasts that long. You got your promo code right here. Does apply to multiple quantities if you want more than one, but I thought really nice deal. And you're getting the 64 gigabyte SD card, which is pretty good. I like the app controlled ones. You get things all set up, set it and forget it and everything. Like Ron Popeil, what was his name? Whatever it was. That little rotisserie thing. I always wanted one of those. Then I also updated the daily tool deals list, which is actually a weekly list, and at some point I will change the name. We're also up to 16,000 items. Even when I wrote this, it was only at 15,000. So my website checks 16,000 Amazon tools almost every day. It's a continuous rotation of updating prices and information. You can see I updated it today at 10:14 a.m., which is about 1 hour ago. And then I went through the entire list to make sure everything was accurate. So this is the top 100 most discounted tools that are currently in my website's database. And you'll notice that you get a lot of mainstream products in this because it's not relying on promo codes or coupons. This is just the sale price, like the 3-pack of Craftsman hammers at $17.97. Really good deal, about $6 a piece on those. And like this one, not a popular name brand, but 15-inch tool bag down to just $14.49. A lot of I like these things. I love these Lowe cutters, $26.99 on those guys. Made a separate post on the homepage for this. I like the little pass-through ratchet sets. Work really good for threaded rod and long bolt type material. You saw a couple of the CCs. So it's 100 items. We're not going to go through every single thing, but it's a lot of your traditional name brands that you guys know and love. And I've been updating that every Saturday. So again, that has been updated if you want to take a look at it, and it'll be linked down below. This is another good one. 100 piece of the hook and loop sanding disc for your orbital sander, $8.99 for a 100 pack. And it's assorted grits. Really like that one as well. But yeah, everything on here right now, the price is good. Of course, the more they sell, the more they'll change the price. And usually up. The more they sell, the higher it goes. Now, back to Lowe's for a few. We have this going through the end of January, although I think it'll sell out beforehand. It's only $49.99. Black & Decker 4-tool, 2-battery kit. Normally $130. Now, really good for like a little homeowner doing side projects or something, a little weekend warrior type guy, because, like, not the best tools in the world, okay? It's not like you're buying the DeWALTs and the Makitas and all that kind of stuff, but you're getting 4 tools and 2 batteries for $50. You'll totally be able to cut wood with that saw. You'll be able to sand wood with that sander, okay? It'll work. And even if it's just for the light and the drill, light works perfectly fine, I'm sure of it. You can hang pictures and shelves and all sorts of stuff. $50 for a 4-tool kit, 2 batteries, but it's really hard to beat that. That is a really good deal. Next up, we have the oscillating tools, a full kit. Got a heads up from a longtime friend of the program, Mr. Sam. Sam I am. Son of Sam, Yosemite Sam. Boy, I loved Yosemite Sam, my favorite Looney Tune. Is that a shocker to anyone that Yosemite Sam would be my favorite? I don't know. DeWALT 20-volt max, cordless, brushless, 3-speed. You're getting the whole little kit going here. Now, this is going to be either a 1.3 or a 1.5 battery. It doesn't have the fuel gauge. It's really tall, tiny, little baby guy. See, it even just says battery. They're so embarrassed by the size of the battery, they don't even want to tell you. But the good thing is you're getting the XR brushless, top of the line oscillating tool. So this is their best oscillating tool on sale at $99. They're throwing in the little, what's that, DCB 107 probably. You know, they're throwing in not great accessories to go with it, but you're getting the best oscillating tool for 99 bucks. And, you know, a little baby battery that you can, I don't know, put on the shelf and look at and be like, I'm not using that thing. Now, here's another option if you want better accessories to go with it and can use the sander. So this is going to be the same oscillating tool. It's a 2-tool kit. You're getting an orbital sander, you're getting a 5 amp hour battery, and you're getting the DCB 118 fast charger. That's an 8 amp output on the charger. Normally $349 down to $259. If you're only interested in the oscillating tool, that $99 deal is a better deal. You can't beat that. But if you could use the sander, and who can't use another 5? I mean, everyone could use another 5. That's a damn good battery right there. And the charger, even if you just want to resell the charger, make some of your money back, the $259 may be a better deal for you, you know, depending on how you're feeling in your situation. But that's about a $100 tool there. That's about a $100 tool there. Even when we get it on sale, you know, these are all sale prices, right? We just saw it $99. When we get this guy on sale, it's $99. This we try to get to $50 because we want $10 per amp hour, so we're trying to get that. So we're at our $250 there, and then we're getting a free fast charger, which is the most expensive charger they have. And that's even just looking at sale prices. If you were looking at full retail, probably be at twice that maybe. So it is a pretty good deal. Little Kobalt deal for you. 4-volt, quarter-inch cordless screwdriver, battery included and charger not. What did that just say? Battery included and charger not included. Lowe's is a serious company, right? It's not like some mom and pop thing that's just like one store in some small ass town somewhere, and they're trying to figure out how to put together a website, and it's like the 90s, and they're like, what's this internet thing? They have like probably thousands of stores, right? Like a lot, you know, all across the country, probably Mexico, Canada, I don't know. Big company, right? Professionals, CEOs making millions of dollars a year. Title: battery included, charger not included. Not one son of a bitch in the entire company can read these titles and be like, hey, you know what? That ain't right. That ain't right. Shocking. Well, it has this cable here, which apparently has nothing to do with charging the device. I mean, you know, maybe it's a tether. Maybe it's a lanyard. You put it around your neck, and they just put USB port and a little barrel-looking connector on the other side, just for shits and giggles. Because the charger's not included. Maybe they're just meaning you have to have like the block to plug it into a wall. And even in that sense, this is stupid. I'm kind of pissed at the whole deal now. $10 off, $19.98. Really dumbass wording if that's what you're getting at. Ooh, let's see. Oh, that's a USB. It's probably USB-C, wouldn't you think? It was hard to tell from that first picture. It's got the light in front, like the light, like the light, like the little baby screwdriver. Fast and efficient, cordless. USB-C, there it is. I think they mean they're only giving you the cable. Still stupid. Don't like it. Also, how much more would it cost just to give me the outlet portion? Give me the little portion that plugs into an outlet, damn it. I guess you could charge this on your car. That'd be kind of cool. $19.98 cordless little screwdriver guy. Oh man. I gotta shit on Lowe's again. I gotta do it again. I didn't plan on doing it twice back to back. So these are the Kobalt stainless steel 2-piece heavy-duty scissors. Normally $15.98 down to $9.98. I actually bought these the last time I was in Lowe's about a week or so ago when I recorded those shorts, which, by the way, I still have another one I got to upload for you guys. Here's the thing. If you're left-handed, Lowe's, when they designed these, were like, we want you to die. We don't care about your life. We want you to have a slow, miserable, painful death. And we're going to contribute to that misery with these scissors. Now, if you're right-handed, they love you. They're just going to get on their knees in front of you. But left-handed people, no. No. Left-handers, you bend over. So the design of these handles, like, okay, it'll cut left-handed. Look at this. Look, you can kind of see from here, although I'd love a back view. Gotta love a back view. See here? See this curvature here? If you put that in your right hand, it just nestles perfectly right into that little section around your thumb and your palm. And it's just comfortable and it's bliss. But if you're left-handed, you get this sharp, narrow son of a bitch right here just digging into your hand. Bruising, calluses, you might bleed. Okay? Now, why could they not take the time as they were designing this to make a nice smooth side on this one over here as well? Why did we go out of our way to make it the most uncomfortable pile of shit ever for the left-handed people? It has to be out of spite. There is no other explanation other than they hate left-handed people. It is a cabal of rich people who are right-handed, and they want to... Gotta be careful here. They, oh man, how do I... They want to get rid of left-handed people. Let's just put it that way. They don't want us to exist. I am convinced now more than ever that Lowe's has a vendetta against the left-handed population. But if you're right-handed, $9.98. Pretty good price. And the metal goes all the way through, which I like. If it was a knife, I would say it's full tang. I don't know if that's what you say with scissors. But if you've ever been cutting things that you probably shouldn't have been with a pair of scissors, you have broke them like right in this area right here. Squeezing a little too hard in the plastic. These are all metal, so that's good. That's good. Craftsman 2000 series. Now, this one's a deal of the day. It's only good for today. I don't know if any of those other ones were. 2000 series, 26-incher, almost 27. Hey, we round up around here. When we're talking inches, we round up. 27-incher, 5-drawer steel rolling tool cabinet. Comes in red. It's normally $284 down to $209, and you'll likely see over here USA. It says it's made in Missouri. In Missouri. Do people from Missouri like it when you say Missouri, or do they prefer Missouri? Because when people say Illinois, I instantly think you're stupid. There's no S on the end. I mean, when you spell it, there is. So maybe the person who spells it originally was a dumbass. But what I'm shocked when I hear people say Illinois is because it's always a grown-ass adult. It's like you're 50 years old and you just put an S on the end of that. Have you never in your life heard someone correctly pronounce the state Illinois? Not once. You never heard someone say Illinois and thought, well, where the fuck are they talking about? Kind of sounds like that Illinois place, but they forgot the S. The stupidity of some people is just astonishing to me. I literally walk around most of my day thinking about how stupid the people around me are, and it aggravates me. That's really why I think I'm an angry person. Because everyone else is so damn stupid. And I just can't get over it. I'm hooked on the fact of the stupidity. Don't pronounce the S, please. And don't put an R in Washington. Have you seen those people? There's no R. Why are you pronouncing an R? Okay, we gotta move on. These are made in America. Global materials. Now, you got the bottom, you need the top. The bottom was nice, we like the top too. It's a 2000 series again. 26-incher, just a little bit less this time. It's gotta fit on top now. Says black or red. I don't know. Oh, no, black is sold out. Red only. Normally $224 down to $159. You're saving $65. Good. Deal of the day. Made in Missouri. So you get them both. Maybe just throw this on top of a countertop or something. Maybe you got a nice little workbench going, and you can throw this guy on there. It's the 2000 series, not the 1000. A little upgrade for you. All right, guys, I gotta get out of here. This is getting crazy. It's off the rails already. Good thing it's the weekend. Oh, and it's snowing, and it's like 4 degrees outside. It's supposed to get down to like -8 today. Oh, yeah, this is miserable. It hasn't even hit Christmas. We got like a foot of snow on the ground, -8 degrees. Long winter ahead of us. Long, miserable winter. On that note, thanks for watching. Make sure you give the video a like, subscribe, I'll see you guys next time.